Get on the ground now. Show me your hands.
Hey, don't.
Hey, don't.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Get your hands off.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Hands up and turn over to your stomach.
Start medical aid.
On December 18th, 2020, at approximately 3:58 p.m., BPD officers were dispatched to 8712 Maria Angelica Street in southwest Bakersfield for a report of a male subject, Johnathan Brown, holding a firearm to his head and threatening to shoot himself inside the residence.
Hey, dear.
King, we're going to be on the southwest corner of Maria Angelica and Giovanni. The second half's currently smoking a cigarette. Oh, affirmative. Officers that just be aware there's gardeners directly east of our primary. Subject's reaching for a gun in his waistband. Gun in waistband.
Get on the ground now. Show me your hands.
What's the door?
Give me a gun. Give me a gun. Give me a gun. Give me a gun.
Where is he?
Gun. 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 Gun.
Where you hit?
Ah, leg. Tourniquet. All right, tourniquet. Tourniquet. Watch it.
Here, get this.
I need tourniquet. I got it. Need tourniquet.
I got you. What leg?
Right leg. All the way up. Wait, all the way up.
We got you.
Cinch it in tight, nice and deep.
No, we're gonna move him.
We gotta move him. Keep going. Tighter.
Yeah. We got it. We're gonna move. Keep an eye on him. It's not tight.
I got it. Stop.
Do not reach for the gun. Let's go.
I can't walk, just so you guys know.
I got you.
Drag.
Pull the car up. Let me get him.
Hold on. Let's go. Hold on.
I got you. 1, 2, 3.
Ah, the leg.
I got you.
Leg.
I know. Hold it.
Leg.
I know. I got you. Hold on. Just wait. We're almost there.
All right.
I copies Giovanni traffic. 10-9, confirm second half smoking outside. Affirmative. Officers that just be aware there's gardeners directly east of our primary. Report, do we have any key to the minigun? I'm going to hit him with
Hey, don't.
Hey, Joe!
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Get your hands off!
Don't do it. Don't do
Get
it.
on the ground!
Get on the ground. gun, give me gun, give me gun, give me gun.
Where is he?
Gun, gun, gun. Gun, gun, gun.
Where you hit? Where you hit?
Leg.
I got it.
Tourniquet. I got tourniquet. Tourniquet.
Guns on the ground.
Here. Tourniquet.
Watch y'all move. Get the tourniquet. Here, get this. Hold this.
Police Department.
51 years, moving in, coast to coast.
Let's see your hands.
Coast to 3, channel 2, coast to channel 2, Maria Angelica.
Put your hands in the air. Your hands in the air. Now. Yeah, you. Put your hands in the air.
Hang back, Tenario. Forrest 50, he's uncooperative.
Hey, put your hands in the air, bro. Hey, put your hands in the air.
We're going to be on the southwest corner of Maria Angelica and Giovanni.
Yes.
Second half,
Put your hands where we can see it.
Hey, could you get these gardeners to come back?
And then confirm second half smoking outside. Affirmative. Officer, that just be aware that these gardeners directly east of our primary. Car 4, we have an HC at the minute unit. 911.
Hey, Joe! Get your hands off! Get on the ground!
Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Hey, watch the dog! Hey!
Copy 999.
Behind! Hey, he's behind the green Honda! Behind the green Honda!
I'm hit, but not serious.
He's on the ground! Behind the Honda!
Correction, 998.
Start treatment.
999.
Hey, hold on!
Confirm 999.
Get an eyes on! It looks like he's on his right side. He's still moving. Sir!
Order report negative on medical clear.
I can't see. He's still moving.
491, 10-4, copy negative.
Crawl out to us! Drop the gun and crawl out to us!
Drop the gun!
Drop the gun and crawl out to us now!
I might have the gun on the far side of the car.
I think that's maybe the magazine, close to the back tire.
Can we send the dog? No, our dog handler's down.
No. I mean, no, he still might be armed.
Yeah.
That's on scene. Bring the king unit to Maria. You know what traffic you're clipping, 10-9?
2 is 51. We need the Bearcat started, and I need 2 units to get our officer out to medical aid at the school.
What do you think getting eyes on around the white Ford?
Now, as long as you stand there, let's hold right here and keep as much cover as we can. I've got them from here.
All right. Right here, code 4.
I'm hit, but I'm good.
Where are you at?
I'm hit.
On the arm?
I think he's down. I see his left hand extended.
Yeah.
Hold. Okay. We're gonna move.
All right.
We've got him. Okay, I've got good visual.
Hands up and turn over to your stomach.
His mag's right there.
I think might be sitting on the gun right now in his right hand.
Can you see the gun on the sidewalk?
I can see the gun to the right.
Okay.
Still in arm's reach.
I need a team to come around here. Oh man. I don't know if the gun shut off when I went down or what.
Hey, we might need a dog then if we're gonna try to move in. It might be. Where's Beatty at? I mean,
Okay.
wouldn't be good saying.
Our handler's down, right? We don't have a dog. No.
Down.
All right. If he sees the gun, we're gonna grab him by the ankles, pull him towards the street, and control his hands immediately. Okay, me and Lugo will be lethal. All right, on my lead, everybody stacks behind me. You want me to put behind you?
Do not move.
Do not move.
He's reaching! Watch! Watch it! Get down! Force L2. Start medical aid.
He's on the ground.
Here. Watch it, move. Here, get this. Hold this shit.
You need a tourniquet, boys.
I got you.
Bakersfield Fire Department and Hall Ambulance responded on scene and took over medical treatment of Brown, who was transported to Kern Medical where he succumbed to his injuries. 2 officers were struck by the suspect's gunfire and survived their injuries. The Los Angeles County District Attorney's Office reviewed the case and concluded that there was no criminal liability for the officer's use of deadly force, making the shooting legally justified.